In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Mailchimp using Zapier. This process will automate the workflow between these two platforms, allowing for a seamless transfer of data. It's incredibly useful for keeping your contact lists up to date without any manual effort. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Zapier homepage. If you haven't already, sign into your account or create one if you're new to Zapier. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button, which is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will open up the option to start creating what Zapier calls a zap. A zap is essentially an automated workflow between two apps. Next, you'll see an option labeled Zaps. Click on this to start setting up your new automation. Now, we're going to focus on the trigger for our zap. A trigger is an event that starts a zap. Click on Trigger to begin defining what action in Airtable will trigger the automation to start. Once you've clicked on Trigger, you'll need to select Airtable as the app where the trigger event will occur. If you haven't connected your Airtable account to Zapier yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the instructions to grant Zapier access to your Airtable account. This is necessary for Zapier to monitor changes and automate tasks based on those changes. After selecting Airtable, you'll need to specify the exact trigger event. This could be a new record being added, a record being updated, or another action within your Airtable database. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and then test the trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, let's move on to the next part of our zap, the action. This is where we define what happens in Mailchimp once the trigger event occurs in Airtable. Click on the Action option and select Mailchimp from the list of apps. Similar to Airtable, if you haven't connected your Mailchimp account to Zapier yet, you'll need to do that now by following the on-screen instructions. With Mailchimp selected, choose the specific action you want to occur. Common actions include adding a new subscriber to a list or updating an existing subscriber's details. Select the action that aligns with your goals and then map the fields from Airtable to Mailchimp. This mapping tells Zapier how the data from Airtable should populate the fields in Mailchimp. Once everything is set up, it's crucial to test your zap to make sure it functions as expected. Zapier will guide you through a test run, and if all is well, you can turn on your zap. From this point on, the process you've just configured will run automatically, keeping your Mailchimp lists updated based on changes in your Airtable data. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Airtable to Mailchimp using Zapier. This integration can save you a lot of time and ensure your marketing efforts are always aligned with your latest data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on automating your workflows.